Eating healthy isn't just about nutrition, it's also about sustainability. Some of the most nutrient-packed foods have a surprisingly low carbon footprint, making them great for both your body and the planet. Today, we're diving into 3 of the best sustainable superfoods: quinoa, seaweed, and legumes. Let's explore why they deserve a spot on your plate. First up, quinoa. This ancient grain, originally cultivated in the Andean region, is packed with protein, fiber, and essential amino acids. Unlike traditional grains like rice or wheat, quinoa requires less water to grow and thrives in diverse climates, making it a more sustainable choice. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free and a great energy booster. Next, we have seaweed, one of the most sustainable superfoods on the planet. Seaweed grows without fresh water, fertilizers, or pesticides, making it an eco-friendly crop. It absorbs carbon dioxide from the ocean, helping to combat climate change. And it's a powerhouse of nutrients like iodine, calcium, and antioxidants. Finally, legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are not only rich in protein and fiber, but also one of the most sustainable protein sources available. Unlike animal-based protein, legumes require minimal water and naturally enrich the soil by fixing nitrogen, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. By incorporating these sustainable superfoods into your diet, you're not only fueling your body with essential nutrients, but also reducing your environmental impact. Choosing plant-based, low-footprint foods is a small step with a big impact on the planet. Want to start eating more sustainably? Try swapping rice for quinoa, adding seaweed to your snacks, or incorporating more legumes into your meals. Let us know in the comments which of these superfoods is your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and sustainability tips.